Hello everyone, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to input your students' essay scores onto DMAC. The first thing that we want to do is sign in. And in our home page, we're going to drop down to the topic for local assessment and click on the option for TEAC scores. Under TEAC scores, we're going to come over to the tab over here that says responses and click on the rubric option. This is where you're going to be able to access the current tests. Of course, you do need to locate it. As you can see, it shows all of the tests we have taken within the past several school years. Now, you will have to look through them. It does not offer the drop down to show you which test is which, if I'm not mistaken. This is this semester's test. And you can see I have a couple of students who have already input their answers here on DMAC. Now, I've already rated these essays and I have not input this student's. What I'm going to do is once I finish rating it, which I already have, I'm going to come over and I am going to simply put the score rate that he has for the essay. Once I have completed inputting all of my scores, I'm going to click on the Save button, and it will change his score from the original multiple choice answers over to include his essay score. And that is how you upload your scores for DMAC with your students' essays. I hope this video was helpful and that you were able to locate the information.